Did you know that for over 200 years, Japan was completely isolated from the outside world during the Edo period? A time of peace and cultural flourishing? Welcome to a journey through Japan's rich and storied past. A history that stretches back thousands of years and is filled with transformation, resilience, and cultural brilliance. From the disciplined samurai who once ruled the land to Japan's emergence as a global superpower, this nation's evolution is nothing short of extraordinary. In this video, we'll unravel the key events, groundbreaking shifts, and fascinating traditions that have shaped Japan into the remarkable country it is today. Japan's history is a captivating blend of tradition and innovation, where ancient customs coexist with cutting-edge technology. From the rise of the samurai class during the feudal era to the rapid modernization of the Meiji Restoration, we'll uncover how Japan navigated through periods of isolation and engagement with the world. You'll learn about the influential dynasties, the impact of Buddhism and Shintoism, and the pivotal moments that led to Japan's emergence as a global leader. But this isn't just a dry recounting of dates and events. We aim to engage you with stories of legendary figures, cultural milestones, and the resilience of the Japanese people. As we journey through time, you'll discover how Japan's unique blend of tradition and modernity continues to influence its identity today. So, whether you're a history buff or just curious about what makes Japan so unique, this video promises to be both informative and engaging. Join us as we unravel the layers of Japan's history, revealing the enduring spirit that has propelled this island nation from its ancient roots to its status as a technological powerhouse. Let's embark on this exciting exploration together. The Age of Samurai. The era of the samurai is one of the most iconic periods in Japanese history, characterized by a unique warrior class that played a crucial role in shaping the nation's culture and governance. The origins of the samurai can be traced back to the Heian period, 794 to 1185, when they emerged as skilled warriors serving noble families. Over time, they evolved into a distinct social class, embodying values such as loyalty, honor, and discipline, which became the cornerstone of Japanese culture. Key figures like Minamoto no Yoritomo, the founder of the Kamakura shogunate, and Oda Nobunaga, who initiated the unification of Japan, were instrumental in shaping the samurai era. Their military strategies and political maneuvers not only transformed the landscape of Japan, but also solidified the samurai's influence in governance. The samurai were not just warriors, they were also administrators and landowners, playing a vital role in the feudal system that defined Japanese society. The samurai's impact extended beyond warfare and governance. They were patrons of the arts, contributing to the development of traditional Japanese culture, including tea ceremonies, calligraphy, and martial arts. The Bushido Code, which emphasized virtues like courage and loyalty, became a guiding principle for samurai life and influenced the broader societal values of Japan. As we delve deeper into this captivating era, we'll uncover how the legacy of the samurai continues to resonate in modern Japan, shaping its identity and cultural practices. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of the samurai and their enduring influence on Japanese society. Feudal Japan. Feudal Japan was a complex and hierarchical society that emerged during the late 12th century and lasted until the 19th century. At the top of this structure were the shoguns, military leaders who held the real power, often overshadowing the emperor, who remained a symbolic figurehead. Below the shoguns were the daimyos, powerful landowners who governed vast territories and commanded their own samurai warriors. This feudal system created a network of loyalty and obligation, where daimyos pledged allegiance to the shogun in exchange for protection and autonomy over their lands. The social hierarchy in feudal Japan was rigid consisting of several classes. At the top were the samurai, who enjoyed privileges and respect due to their martial skills and adherence to the Bushido code. Below them were the farmers, artisans, and merchants, each playing a crucial role in sustaining the economy. While farmers worked the land and produced food, artisans crafted goods, and merchants facilitated trade. However, common people often faced hardships, with heavy taxation and limited social mobility, making their lives challenging in a society dominated by the elite. Significant conflicts and alliances defined this period, with power struggles between rival daimyos leading to wars and shifting allegiances. The Sengoku period, known as the Age of Warring States, was marked by intense battles and the quest for unification, culminating in the rise of influential figures like Tokugawa Ieyasu, who established the Tokugawa shogunate and brought relative peace to Japan. As we explore feudal Japan, we'll uncover how this intricate system shaped the nation's culture, politics, and social dynamics, leaving a lasting legacy that still resonates today. The Meiji Restoration. The Meiji Restoration, which began in 1868, marked a pivotal turning point in Japan's history, transforming the nation from a feudal society into a modern industrial power. The causes of this remarkable change were rooted in both internal and external pressures. The arrival of Commodore Matthew Perry and his Black Ships in 1853 forced Japan to confront the realities of Western imperialism, prompting a re-evaluation of its isolationist policies. The dissatisfaction with the ruling Tokugawa shogunate's inability to protect Japan's sovereignty fueled a desire for change among various factions, leading to the restoration of imperial rule under Emperor Meiji. The effects of the Meiji Restoration were profound and far-reaching. Japan rapidly shifted from a closed society to one that actively engaged with the global community. This transition included the adoption of Western technologies and practices, which spurred industrialization and economic growth. Railroads, telegraphs, and factories emerged, transforming Japan into a formidable industrial power by the early 20th century. Key reforms and figures played crucial roles in this modernization process. Leaders like Ito Hirobumi and Saigo Takamori were instrumental in implementing sweeping changes, including the establishment of a constitutional government, a modern military, and an education system based on Western models. The abolition of the feudal class system and the promotion of meritocracy allowed for greater social mobility and participation in governance. As we delve into the Meiji Restoration, we'll explore how these transformative years laid the foundation for Japan's emergence as a global power, setting the stage for its complex interactions with the world in the years to come. Join us as we uncover the remarkable journey of Japan during this era of modernization and change. Japan in the 20th century. The 20th century was a transformative era for Japan, marked by significant upheaval, conflict, and remarkable recovery. Japan's role in World War I was primarily as an ally of the Entente powers, where it seized German territories in Asia and expanded its influence in the Pacific. However, the interwar period saw a rise in militarism and nationalism, culminating in Japan's aggressive expansion into China and its involvement in World War II. The attack on Pearl Harbor in 1941 marked Japan's entry into the war on the side of the Axis powers, leading to devastating consequences, including widespread destruction and loss of life. The end of World War II in 1945 brought about a profound transformation for Japan. The country faced the daunting task of recovery from the devastation of war, including the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Under the guidance of the Allied occupation, Japan underwent significant reforms, including the establishment of a democratic government and the adoption of a new constitution. This period of rebuilding laid the groundwork for Japan's remarkable economic boom in the 1960s. often referred to as the Japanese economic miracle. Fueled by industrial growth, technological innovation, and a strong work ethic, Japan emerged as one of the world's leading economies. Culturally, the 20th century saw significant shifts as well. Traditional values coexisted with modern influences, leading to a vibrant cultural landscape that embraced both heritage and innovation. Technological advancements, particularly in electronics and automotive industries, positioned Japan as a global leader in technology. As we explore Japan's evolution through the 20th century, we'll uncover the resilience and adaptability of a nation that transformed itself amidst challenges, shaping its identity in the modern world. Modern Japan, a technological superpower. In the contemporary landscape, Japan stands out as a technological superpower, renowned for its contributions to various fields, including robotics, electronics, and innovation. The nation has consistently pushed the boundaries of technology, becoming a leader in developing cutting-edge products and solutions that have transformed industries worldwide. From the early days of consumer electronics to the forefront of robotics, Japan has made significant strides that have shaped the global market. Major companies like Sony, Toyota, and Panasonic have played pivotal roles in this technological evolution. Sony revolutionized the music industry with the Walkman and continues to innovate in gaming and entertainment. Toyota has set benchmarks in automotive technology, particularly with its pioneering work in hybrid vehicles, exemplified by the Prius. Additionally, Japan is at the forefront of robotics, with companies like SoftBank Robotics introducing humanoid robots like Pepper, designed to interact with humans and enhance everyday life. Beyond technology, modern Japan is a vibrant tapestry of cultural influences, blending traditional practices with contemporary trends. The global phenomenon of Japanese pop culture, including anime, manga, and video games, has captivated audiences worldwide, creating a unique cultural export that resonates with diverse demographics. Traditional arts, such as tea ceremonies and calligraphy, coexist alongside modern expressions, showcasing Japan's ability to honor its heritage while embracing innovation. As we explore Japan's rise as a technological leader, we'll delve into how these advancements and cultural dynamics have not only defined the nation, but also influenced the world. Join us in uncovering the fascinating interplay between technology and culture that characterizes modern Japan, a true testament to its resilience and creativity. As we wrap up our exploration of Japan's remarkable journey from a land of samurai to a modern superpower, it's clear that this nation has undergone profound transformations throughout its history. We began by delving into the era of the samurai, where loyalty, honor, and martial prowess defined a unique warrior class that shaped Japanese society. We then examined the feudal system, highlighting the roles of shoguns and daimyos, and how their power struggles influenced the social hierarchy and the lives of common people. The Meiji Restoration marked a significant turning point as Japan embraced modernization and global engagement, leading to an economic boom in the 1960s. We also explored Japan's evolution through the 20th century, including its role in both world wars and the subsequent recovery that positioned it as a technological leader. Finally, we celebrated Japan's status as a technological superpower, showcasing its innovations in robotics and electronics, while also appreciating the rich cultural tapestry that includes both traditional practices and modern pop culture.